Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today, I've got another pedicure video for you. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll get my clippers and cut off any excess length from my toenails. Next, I'll get my cuticle pen and push back my cuticles. I'll come in with my file, then I'll file the surface and the edges as well. I'll come in with a dehydrator and get rid of any excess dust or oils that might be on the nails. I'll get my Model 1's base coat and give my nails one coat each. Afterwards, I'll just cure them in the UV light for about 60 seconds. I would like to thicken up my nails a little bit, so I'll get a nude gel and give it kind of a lighter layer onto my nails. Afterwards, I'll just cure them for 60 seconds. I'll get my black mud gel and give my toenails one coat each. Afterwards, I'll just cure it in the UV light for about 60 seconds. I'll go ahead and give it a second coat. So after the nails have been cured, I'll just come in with a top coat. This is a glossy top coat. This time I will not cure it, I'll leave it wet. I'll go ahead and dip a pin into the yellow gel polish. Then I'll just make some dots on the wet polish. Since it's still wet, part of the yellow gel polish will dissolve into the wet top coat and it will give it that very cool effect. So afterwards, I'll just go ahead and cure it. Then I'll seal it off with a glossy top coat. coming with some cuticle oil. And ladies and gentlemen, here we are. My other bee and spring is here. So this is it, guys, and I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.